Hi, and we're going to review negative signs, but we're not going to do the whole thing because right now we don't need to. But if you need to, go back into the chapter that talks about the negative signs. And the thing is, when do you need to use the negative rules? You need to use them whenever you have a negative or a subtraction or anything like that. So there are same signs and there are different signs. All right, sorry about that. All right, and so let's look at just the same signs. So that would be positive, positive, or negative, negative. Different signs would be positive, negative, or negative, positive. And so let's give an example. So let's say we have 4, positive 4 plus positive 3. You don't need the positives, but I just want to put it in here to go over the example. And so you add the digits and you add the sign. And negative, negative is the one that is kind of confusing, but you still do the same thing. You add the digits, you get 7, and you add the sign. So it's negative, 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 and the answer is negative 7. An example of this would be something like, I owe my mom $4 because I'm always borrowing money from my mom. And I borrowed another $3, so now I owe my mom $7. And so there are two rules when they're the same signs. You add the digits, and you add the signs. All right, so two rules. And different signs would be like negative 4 plus 3. One's positive and one's negative. And it doesn't matter which one. If they're different signs, you subtract them. And you take the sign of the larger. So the larger digit is 4, and you're going to take the sign, which is negative 1. So this would be like, I owe my mom $4, but I paid her $3, so now I owe my mom $1. And you can also go the other way. Positive 4 minus 3. And again, different signs here. So you subtract the digits, and you're going to take the sign of the 4, because that's the larger digit, and that's positive. And so if you have $4 and you spend $3, you still have $1 left. And so the two rules for that is, for different signs, you subtract digits. And then you take the sign of the larger digit. So if you have both the same, the two rules are you add the digits and add the sign. If they're both different signs, one's positive, one's negative, you subtract the digits and then you take the sign of the larger. So make sure you understand this and make sure it goes in your reference spiral and use it. That's the whole point of a reference spiral. All right, hope this helps.